without having to go through third parties like banks, brokers, or payment processors. A decentralized exchange, or DEX, allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Cardano's ADA token has become the sixth largest digital currency and arguably has the best decentralized exchange platform. With new opportunities rising this year, what is the best Cardano DEX's project with huge potential in 2022? DEX, in contrast to centralized exchanges like Coinbase, only facilitate trades between different cryptocurrencies rather than converting fiat currency into cryptocurrency. Centralized exchanges allow you to trade fiat currency for cryptocurrency or cryptocurrency pairs, such as exchanging some of your bitcoins for Ether. In 2021, the ADA token price increased to a record $3 in September before settling at its current $1.38 level. The price of Cardano remained under $2 for most of the year, despite the huge increase. However, the year 2022 holds obscurity. Over the past year, Cardano has emerged as the most promising alternative to Ethereum. Investment in ADA has been profitable in the past, as evidenced by its high price and high volume. With new features and increased usage, Cardano is gaining traction like never before. For the best Cardano DEX project in 2022, we have a list for you. First on our list is Minswap. The Minswap DEX has the most users and the largest TVL of any Cardano DEX. About 40.09% of Cardano's total TVL is under its control. After only a week in operation, Minswap could unseat Sundayswap as the leading Cardano DEX after its March 8 launch. We'll talk about Sundayswap, another DEX on our list, and how much of an impact it has as an ADA coin very soon, so stay tuned. In terms of TVL, it has since fallen to second place. When it comes to user-friendliness and support for limited orders, Minswap is unrivaled among Cardano DEXs. The Minswap v4.00 update introduced support for the Ledger Nano X, Nano S, and Nano Plus, expanding the wallet's asset portfolio. Nonetheless, Minswap lacks stablecoin support. They have the highest producing farms on Cardano and are governed by their community. What's more, the entire cost has been covered by their community. There is no token presale or early investors. An impressive community, if we do say so. What do you think about the Minswap community? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Next, we have Cardax, an autonomous trading platform built on the Cardano protocol and employs an updated version of Automated Market Maker, AMM. Cardax is a good choice due to its variety of interesting design choices. According to its white paper, Cardax aims to provide liquidity to local token issuance projects built on Cardano. It's not dissimilar to other DEXs, but since it's built on Cardano, there's been more buzz about its development. An additional selling point is a novel approach to developing the protocol for use as an extended automated market maker. The EAMM protocol is used by Cardax, which is an enhanced version of the original AMM protocol. The process of creating new token pairs gives buyers more bargaining power. The price discovery mechanism does not involve manufacturers. Liquidity pools can be created by anyone on Cardax. As with other AMMs, that's quite the good news. Our channel will continue to monitor for new updates on tokens like Cardax, so subscribe to this channel and get an alert whenever we drop a video. Next on our list is Sundayswap, a popular decentralized exchange that uses the Cardano network. It has the most social media following among Cardano DEX projects. Sundayswap also uses AMM, which is no surprise because it is more efficient. Although we must admit not all decentralized systems are designed like that. For instance, MuslimSwap, Cardano's first decentralized exchange, which is also on our list. We'll be talking about it very soon, so stay tuned. When the Sundayswap testnet went live in December of 2021, it demonstrated the project's feasibility. To put it simply, Sundayswap is a decentralized exchange built on the Cardano blockchain that is both scalable and native. The Sunday token's utility includes governance, profit distribution, and expense minimization. There's a lot of buzz about Sundayswap right now. In theory, the Sunday token's worth has much more potential than its initial issuance price would indicate. Allow us to properly elaborate. Once the voting mechanism is in place, Sunday token holders will be granted governance powers that will allow them to jointly decide the protocol's future and earn a proportional share of platform revenue based on the number of tokens they hold. Also, ADAX is a decentralized, non-custodial liquidity protocol built on the Cardano blockchain. It offers a system that mimics a market maker but is entirely automated, AMM. This one is highly regarded when it comes to decentralized financial DeFi protocols on the Cardano blockchain. 14 million ADAX tokens were sold at an initial coin offering, IEO, price of 0.30 USDT each. All ADAX exchange fees go straight into a liquidity pool, a major feature of the ADAX market. It does not cost anything to use the network. If you have some Cardano ERC20 tokens, you can trade them for some ADAX tokens on the ADAX decentralized exchange. ADAX paves the way for instantaneous dealings between various blockchains. ADAX is widely recognized. Several well-known cryptocurrency community members have given their approval, and that list includes Roger Ver and May Toki, co-founders of Bitcoin.com. Among the Cardano DEX projects, MuslimSwap was the pioneering DEX. To be precise, it debuted on November 27, 2021. To be honest, some people argue that Sundayswap was the first Cardano DEX. However, we believe it is just a marketing strategy. A user on Reddit shared similar concerns. I've used MuslimSwap a couple of times without any issue. And I'm missing the point why so much buzz around Sundayswap, even saying that it's the first Cardano DEX, when MuslimSwap is around for quite some time now. MuslimSwap was the first to introduce an order book model similar to CEX's. MuslimSwap has just launched an AAN chain as an offshoot. This chain currently operates atop the Milka Meta sidechain, which uses both order book and AMM models and provides a DEX aggregator feature to help users get the best price. Different farming pools, like MilkFlick, are available in MuslimSwap. Limit orders and partial sell-by matches are also supported on the Cardano mainnet following the V2 release. No one can say with certainty that investing in cryptocurrency is a good idea. If you are confident in ADA's eventual success, you should be ready to ride out the cryptocurrency's inevitable ups and downs. Investing in Cardano or any other digital token is risky in the short term. Nevertheless, Cardano has recently become a topic of discussion in the blockchain industry. With new projects making headway, we believe it just might be the opportunity you've been waiting for. If you enjoyed watching this video, you would love our next Bitcoin news today. Full list of new crypto billionaires emerging 2022. Thanks for watching.